I love this thing. Hi everyone, Carolyn Braden here. Let me teach you how to use the REVAIR to get sleek, shiny hair, but it's for all hair types. According to my YouTube analytics, most of you are not subscribers out there, so click subscribe if you've learned anything from this video, or click like or drop me a comment and tell me what you think of this video and of the REVAIR. If you've used it for your hair type specifically, your comment can help other people because people read the comments and I read the comments too. Now let's get started. So here's the carrying case it comes in. It's so nice to be able to put it in this box, and let's take it out of the box. Yay! So here is the REVAIR, and I'm going to show you how to use this today. This hair towel is part of my kit, and I have washed my hair with their products, and it's been drying for an hour or so in this towel. Set this over here. I use their detox pre-wash rinse, which you put this on your scalp and kind of rub it in and it gets build-up off your scalp. Then their cleansing oil shampoo, which sounds like it would make your hair oily, but it didn't. It actually moisturized my hair a whole lot. And then I also used their deep conditioning treatment. They have thought of everything with this. They sent me this nice wide tooth comb, which I'm going to use, this nice bag to keep accessories in, and all of these clips, which are great for using when you are drying your hair. I also have some of their hydrating leave-in conditioner, and so I'm going to put some of that on my hair, and it smells so good. I've already tested these products and my hair smelled so good after using them. And the products made my hair very shiny and very hydrated. So this is your dry hair's best friend. Then I'm going to comb through my hair with their wide tooth comb. Combing my hair, la da 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 da. It came with a very good instruction manual, and they send you emails that have tutorials and all kinds of really educational and helpful information. So they have really thought this thing through, because when you first look at this, it's like, it's not scary, but it's so different. And so anytime anything is different, people tend to be like, no. But I am very fascinated by this thing that I'm going to put my hair into. How to explain this? It's a reverse-air hair dryer, which means that instead of pushing air out, it's sucking your hair in. And that sounds like, oh, it's gonna suck my hair and it's gonna cut it off. No, it's not. This thing has been tested and it's very efficient. And so I'm separating out my hair because it wants you to only be able to put your hair, like the width of your hair, into this. If you put too much, it isn't as effective. If you put too little, you know, you're just wasting your time. So let's take a look at the actual device before I start drying my hair. So this is the device, and no, it's not really the most travel friendly, but to do this at home or in a salon, it's really great. It's got all kinds of filters, which you just need to read the directions because you do have to clean your filters. It's got this thing here, which is the main compartment for the hose. That's where the airflow goes through, and it's got all your settings here. These are your tension settings. I like a tension 3, which is basically the amount of strength that this tool can pull your hair into it. If you have too much tension, it can tangle your hair. So you don't need to start with a very high level. The directions recommended that I start with a level 3, and so that's what I'm gonna do. It also has multiple heat settings. It has 3 heat settings, so when you first turn it on, it's kind of like a cool setting, and then it can go to like a medium heat setting and then a high heat setting, and my hair performs best on the high heat setting. This here has a filter on it, so you just take that off and you make sure that that stays clear. It's like your regular hair dryer. It can get clogged with hair and dust, and you've got to clean that. It's like a regular hair dryer, but it's not. It's reverse air. The reason why I was drawn to this is just because it's new, it's fascinating, it is more effective at drying your hair is what I would say. I had incredible results when I first started using this. You can braid your hair and put braids in it, you can put dreadlocks in it, you can put multiple types of textures of hair into it, and even if it's curly, you just would set it on a lower tension, like on like a 1 maybe to start, and let it suck your hair, and it will even dry curly hair. So we've got a tension setting. I'm gonna put mine at a 3, and it has this on the back. This is the switch on the back, so you turn that on, and yeah. So you'll hear the difference in the machine. At a 1, it's kind of a low, that is the tension. And then you can go to a 2, and it's a little bit higher. 3 is even higher. So I'm gonna step mine on a level 3. I just start with a section of hair, and I put it in there, and it pulls my hair, and we're just gonna let it sit there. You don't need to swirl. You don't need to pull. You don't need to do anything. I notice right now that I need to put it on a higher heat setting, so I'm gonna get that going up a little bit to a higher heat setting, and just let it dry my hair. The first time you do this, it's going to be a little bit of a learning curve because your hair is different than my hair. So just remember that. The first time you do it, you may not get the exact same results that I have, and it's just because everybody's hair type is different. It definitely, when I put this up, it got warmer and I can feel it, but it's not burning my head. And I've got it right up to my scalp, and it's gonna be an interesting result. I'm trying to keep talking through this so you can see this real time of how it dries my hair. So it's not like I'm not gonna do a quick cut right now. I just want you to see how long this takes to dry a section of my hair. And again, if your hair, when you pull it out, if it's got a tangle, that means you need to turn your tension down. Turn it from a 3 to a 2, or from a 2 to a 1, or from a 7 to a 5. You know, you play around with what works for your hair type. And I just leave it says up to about 90 seconds. And so I'm gonna do mine at about that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. And look at that. That whole section of hair is dry. Yay! I'm gonna turn this off so you can kind of see. Nice and sleek and straight. I see a little bit of a wave right here, and I can go back in and just stick that over that wavy piece and pull that straight. But that is how this works. So after I do a pass, I usually take the comb and I just kind of run my comb through it just to see if there's any tangles. And there's a little bit of a tangle right there, so I might want to turn my tension down to a 2 so you can see this side be done, and get that on. I'm going to turn mine down to a 2 and just get my hair in there and just hold it. Now I'm going to do a quick cut. See you in a second. And I'll pull it off, and that was actually a little bit better. So I think my number, I've been using a 3, but I think 2 is better. Now I'm going to stick this section in there, and I'm going to dry, and while that's drying, I'm just going to comb through that, and that feels wonderful. As we age, our shoulders and arms start to hurt a little bit, and we might not have the same ability to straighten our hair as we get older. So that's why I think this device could be really, really great for people that have maybe limited mobility, or you just want to take better care of your hair. You know, everybody wants fast, 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 fast. Oh, this dryer is supposed to dry my hair in seconds. Well, sometimes that sacrifices the health of your hair. So sometimes you might want something like this that maybe just a little bit more efficient. And let's see how this comes out. Perfect. Yeah, you set it next to your scalp. It's like this the little tunnel thing kind of creates like a little suction of airflow. This is just my non-scientific way of talking. It creates like a suction cup of airflow, which I think is what helps dry the hair at your root. My teenage self would have loved playing with this. Take it off, and we're gonna stick that part in there and just let it do its work. I tend to only wash my hair every 3 days. I love my spruce filter, so grab a spruce filter because that also helps keep my scalp clean. Heaviness of it, it is like slightly heavy, so if you have very weak arms, this might be an excuse to start pumping a little bit of iron. My hair is just looking so healthy. Look how shiny it is. And I just love how easy it is. As I said earlier, the more you use it, the more you get used to it, the more you develop your own method for drying your hair. Yay! The first thing that I worried about when I got this is I was like, it's gonna suck my hair and it's gonna pull it and it's gonna hurt. No, it doesn't do that. For your tender-headedness people out there, it does not pull, especially if you start slow with the tension setting. Of course, if you set it on a 7, it's gonna pull. So if you have more sensitive hair, sensitive scalp, definitely keep that tension setting low. I forgot about this. Just a water bottle if you need to remist your hair, like for maybe day 2 hair. Maybe I wake up the next morning and my hair is wavy and I want it to get straight again. I can just mist it with a little bit of water, run the REVAIR through my hair, and my hair will be straight again. If you have curly hair, of course this will work for you. Just turn your tension down to like a 1, and also turn your heat down because, you know, curls don't really like heat. One last section of hair here, and so far so good. And now my hair is done and it's sleek and it's soft and it smells so good. The last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of my own Pureology Glow Catcher Drops because I love this. It adds a little bit of hydration back into your hair, but honestly, with using all the REVAIR's products, my hair is not dry, and you can even see very, very few flyaways, but this Glow Catcher oil will help with that. And I'm sure that REVAIR has drops similar to this, but this is what I have on hand right now. Why should you buy the REVAIR? Well, I thought the technology was new and fascinating. It's like a mini vacuum. If you're a stylist and you need to travel for doing hair, this is a great tool for sure. If you have short hair, yes, you can use this. You can use this at all different lengths of hair, all different types of hair. And overall, this REVAIR is a great hair tool. So if you're in the market for a hair dryer that doesn't give you a bunch of hair damage and is for all hair types, and it is just very gentle on all types of head types like sensitive scalps and more, check out REVAIR. Don't forget to like and subscribe or drop me a comment if you've used this tool, or even if you just want to say hello. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.